up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. If you guys are, I hope this video helps. For today's video, I'm gonna be taking this car out on a night POV drive, and it kind of rained like an hour ago, so I thought why not bring you guys a night POV drive in this car. For those of you guys that may be new to the channel, this is my 2015 Infiniti Q50S. This is the 3.7 model. For the mods on this car, it's just making racing test pipes, stock resonators, and a muffler delete. With that being said, let's go ahead and get this video started. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video. For me personally, before I bought this car, before I bought any car, on YouTube I would always look up POV drives to like kind of see if I could imagine myself driving it. So maybe if there's somebody out there that is thinking about buying one of these, I hope this video helped. Now for this part of the video, a couple days ago I was with the homie Eric. I went to actually trade my spark plugs for this car, for my Z. For those of you guys that didn't watch my last video, I told you guys that my friend Eric, which works at Nissan, actually gave me the wrong spark plugs on accident. He gave me DE spark plugs, and this one obviously is not a DE. The spark plugs are thicker, so they obviously don't fit. But on the way home from the dealership, they tuned 335i, pulled up next to me, popping super loud, and I was like, why not? Let's just see how this Q50 does against this tuned BMW. I do think it was an M55. I don't think it was an M54. But yeah, let's go ahead and see how this Q50 does versus the 335i. Honestly, this is like the third M55 that I run, and if I don't beat them, honestly, I don't lose that bad, which is not bad at all for only a one bolt-on NAV6 that's super heavy. Honestly, this car really impresses me, and after racing that BMW, it really made me want to tune this car. So that's probably gonna be the next mod out of the two cars. I think I want to tune this. If not, get new wheels for this. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I tune this car? Make it shoot some fat flames. As for this car, like I said, I do have the spark plugs. So I'm just waiting on the homie Adrian to have some time so I could take it to the shop, swap them out, and then just plug in the computer and just make sure everything's running good. But other than that, I mean, this car should be back. Obviously, I still have no bumper. My bumper's still at the homie Chris's house. I have to go pick that up, paint the lip, and I'll slap it back on. Because honestly, this is cool. I'm not gonna lie. I really like how the car looks. It looks mean, but I just need the bumper, bro. Honestly, not only for looks, but also for like cops and stuff. It is not the move to be driving this car without no bumper and the fat turbo sticking out in the back. But yeah guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this last minute video. I apologize that I haven't been as active on YouTube. I just want to try to bring you guys better content, not just random videos. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.